So before we really move into building machine learning and deep learning models, we need to understand numbers and variables and how they're put together. So we're going to start with a scalar. And a scalar is really the most basic of numbers. It's a single number. It's represented by a small lowercase letter. So it could be something like 7%. And again, it's represented by a normal, in other words, non-bolded lowercase letter in most vernacular. So let's go to our Jupyter notebook here and just look what that might look like. We could say x is equal to 7%. And then we can call that sales is. We then tell it that we're going to put a variable here. We tell it how to format that variable. And then we can throw that variable in later. In this case, it's going to be x. So it says sales is 7%. And we can change that, multiply it by 100. There we go. And we get 7%. And then you can see this basically just says how many decimal places to allow. So we've got sales is equal to 7%, and that's really all a scalar is. It's a single number.